morning everyone, it's time to renew your information. I'm Rayhan Mawardi and this is Brebes News. So let's go to the first information. 4 districts in Brebes hit by strong winds on Friday, 26 February 2021, early this morning.
Another strong wind accident occurred in Brebes Regency Friday, 26 February, early this morning. This time, strong wind hit a number of settlements in 4 different sub-districts. Information gathered in several sources state that the 4 sub-districts, namely Wanasari, Brebes, Bulakamba, and Jatibarang district. For District Wanasari, district test for strong wind damaged several houses in Sigantong and Tanjung Sari village. In Bulakamba sub-district, strong wind hit settlement in Bangsri and Mawardi village. In Jatibarang district, crashed into a number of houses in Jatibarang Kidul, Kedung Tukang, Janegara, and Rengas Bandung village. Meanwhile, Brebes district, a number of houses were affected by strong wind in Pagajugan village. There were no fatalities in this accident, but the losses were estimated at hundreds of millions of rupiah. And that's all the information for today. I'm Rayhan Mawardi, and see you in the next time.